welcome to Talat Academia for Civil Service Examination. Today's topic: what are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are meant for promoting the ideal of political democracy. They prevent the establishment of an authoritarian and despotic rule in the country, and protect the liberties and freedoms of the people against the invasion by the state. And they operate as limitations of the tyranny of the executive and arbitrary laws of the legislature. In short, they aim at establishing a government of laws and not of man. As we know that the Constitution of India comprises 22 parts, 395 articles and 12 schedules. And the fundamental rights are enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution from Article 12 to 35. And the Part 3 of the Constitution is described as the Magna Carta of India. And there are 6 fundamental rights provided by the Constitution of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Okay. Originally, the Constitution also included right to property under Article 31. However, it was deleted from the list of the fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment Act 1978, and then it is made a legal right under Article 300A in Part 12 of the Constitution. Article 12, Definition of State. Under Article 12, the term state has been used in different provisions concerning the fundamental rights. The state includes the following: Government and Parliament of India, that is executive and legislative organs of the Union Government. Government and legislature of states, that is executive and legislative organs of the state government. And all local authorities, that is municipalities, panchayats, district board, improvement trusts, and all other authorities, that is statutory or non-statutory authorities like LIC, ONGC, SAIL, etc. According to the Supreme Court, even a private body or an agency working as an instrument of the state falls within the meaning of state under Article 12. Now, Article 13, laws inconsistent with fundamental rights. Under Article 13 of the Indian Constitution declares that all laws that are inconsistent with or in derogation of any of the fundamental right shall be void. In other words, it provides for the doctrine of judicial review, and this power has been conferred on the Supreme Court under Article 32 and the High Court under Article 226. Further, the article declares that a constitutional amendment cannot be challenged. However, the Supreme Court in the Keswanan Bharti case 1973 held that a constitutional amendment can be challenged if it violates our fundamental rights. There are 5 writ jurisdiction. A writ. What is writ? A writ is a legal order given by the court of law. And the Supreme Court under Article 32 and the High Court under Article 226 can issue the writ of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and the quo warranto. Now, there are features of fundamental rights. protected by Constitution. Fundamental rights, unlike ordinary legal rights, are protected and guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Some of the rights are available only to the citizen, while others are available to all persons, whether citizens, foreigners, or legal persons like corporation or companies. Second feature, not sacrosanct, permanent or absolute. They are not sacrosanct or permanent, and the parliament can curtail or repeal them, but only by the Constitutional Amendment Act. And the rights are not absolute but qualified. The state can impose reasonable restriction on them. However, the reasonability of the restrictions is decided by the courts. Other feature, they are not sacrosanct, permanent or absolute. Parliament can curtail or repeal them, but only by a Constitutional Amendment Act. And the rights are not absolute but qualified. The state can impose reasonable restrictions on them. However, the reasonability of the restriction is decided by the courts. Other feature, rights are justiciable. The rights are justiciable and allow persons to move the courts for their enforcement if and when they are violated. Any aggrieved person can directly go to the Supreme Court in case of violation of any fundamental rights. Next feature, suspension of rights. The rights can be suspended during the operation of a national emergency except the rights guaranteed by Article 20 and 21. तो जो आपका आर्टिकल 20 है और 21 है उसको छोड़कर जितने भी आर्टिकल फंडामेंटल राइट के तहत हैं सभी को सस्पेंड कर दिया जा सकता है. फर्दर द सिक्स राइट्स गारंटीड बाय आर्टिकल 19 can be suspended only when there is an external emergency war or external aggression and not on the ground of armed rebellion. Rebellion means internal emergency. It is not implemented. Okay, next one more feature, restriction of laws. Their application to the member of armed forces, paramilitary forces, police forces, intelligence agencies and analogous service can be restricted or abrogated by the Parliament under Article 33, and their application can be restricted while martial law means military rules imposed under abnormal circumstances is in force in any area. Okay. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.